Two figures are similar if the second can be obtained from the first by a sequence of transformations and dilations. Similar figures mean same shape but not necessarily the same size. What you're going to do is you're going to determine whether or not the two triangles are similar, not necessarily by transformations, but by setting up ratios. So if I look at my figure, I can clearly see that my figure hasn't been turned because the diagonal lines are still faced the same way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with ED, and I'm going to figure out the side length of ED. ED is 1, 2, 3, 4 high. I'm going to find the side that matches ED on the green figure, which is HG. And if I count HG, I see that HG is 8. 4 over 8 reduces to 1/2. I'm going to go back to the purple figure, and I'm now going to do the other side that is a straight line, which is DF. I can see that DF is 3. DF is going to match GI. Again, they're in the same position. GI is 6. This reduces to 1/2 because 1/2 equals 1/2. The ratios are similar, therefore these are similar triangles. It does not matter which figure you start with. If you look at their example, they went from the large figure to the small figure. What you just need to be careful of is that you are consistent. If you're doing purple to green, then stay purple to green. If you're doing green to purple, stay green to purple. Look at example 2. Example 2 says determine if the two rectangulars are similar, again by using transformations. I don't necessarily need you to do transformations, I just want you to look at side lengths. So notice I have a short side and a long side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label my sides first. So if I look at my green figure, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so that side length is 4, and then my height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so my green figure is a 4 by 7. I'm going to move to my blue figure, and I'm also going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So notice I have a long side and a short side for both. I'm going to compare long side to short side, and again, it does not matter if you go green to blue or blue to green. My long side on green is 7. My long side on blue is 5. My short side on green is 4. My short side on green or on blue is 3. Does 7 over 5 equal 4 over 3? This answer is no, therefore these are not similar. Pause the video and do A and B on the Got It on page 539.